Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to stop iPhone ghost touches from happening on your device. Sometimes you might notice that it appears you are selecting something when you've never touched it. So I'm going to show you how we can adjust some things in the sensitivity and fix this issue with the ghost touch happening on the iPhone. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and select the gear icon or settings on our device. And once we do that, we're going to just go ahead and scroll down until we see the option for accessibility. Go ahead and tap on accessibility. And then the next thing we're going to see is the touch option under physical and motor. Go ahead and select that. And now we're going to see another additional option on the next screen for touch accommodations. Go ahead and select that next. And at the very top, you're going to see touch accommodations, and it's likely this is toggled off. So go ahead and just toggle this to on. And once you do that, we're then going to go down to this next section under ignore repeat. So go ahead and toggle that on. And then you're going to see that you have the option to select a time frame or the amount of seconds that you want for it to recognize a touch. Now we can keep this pretty low, but what this is going to do is it's going to take an additional bit of time to recognize that there is a touch so that it is not so sensitive to touch. Now this is a very short time frame, but if we want to just increase that, we can, and that's going to make a big difference with any ghost touching that happens on your iPhone device. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a like. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Take care, everyone.